Giles Montessori and School. Unit 8, Blue, poem, by Brené Haycock. Included in this video are 1. Difficult words and their meaning from the poem. 2. Reading and explanation of the poem stanza-wise. From Textbook of English Grade 10. National Book Foundation for Federal Board Islamabad 2025 onwards. Difficult words and their meaning from the poem Blue. Angel, एक मोहब्बत करने वाली हस्ती, फरिश्ता, a spiritual being believed to be a messenger of God or a kind and caring person. Concern, fikr, tashwish, worry or care about someone or something. Blind, nabina, a person who cannot see. Plight, मुश्किल या अफसोसनाक हालत, a difficult or adverse situation. Vain, बेफायदा, नाकाम, without success or useless. Descriptions, वजाहतें, तफसील बयान करना, words that explain how something looks, feels, or happens. Reality, हकीकत, the real world or truth, not imagination. Insight, समझबूझ, एहसास, deep understanding of something. Instilled, दिल में बिठाना, ज़हन नशीन करवाना, to teach or fix an idea or feeling firmly in someone's mind. Stray, भटकना, इधर उधर जाना, to move away, not stay in one place. Throughout, हर जगह, पूरी मुद्दत के दौरान, from beginning to end, all the way through. Conveyed, पहुंचाया, मुंतकिल किया, to communicate or share a message or feeling. Symbolize, नुमाइंदगी करना, ओलिमोट होना, to stand for or represent something. Evolve, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता तरक्की करना या बदलना, to develop or change slowly over time. Perception, समझबूझ, एहसास, the way you understand or see something. Illuminate, मुनव्वर करना, वज़े करना, to light up or make something clear. Grief, शदीद गम, दुख, deep sadness, especially after losing someone. Perspective, नुक्ता-ई नज़र, सोचना या देखने का तरीका, a way of thinking or looking at something. Settle down, सुकून इख्तियार करना, पुरअमन हो जाना, to become quiet and calm. Watch over, देखभाल करना, हिफाजत करना, to look after or protect someone or something. Went by, गुजर गया, गुजरना, वक्त का बीत जाना, time passed. Reading and explanation of the poem stanza-wise. Line 1, she was born pink and soft with all of her toes. Explanation, this line means that the baby was born healthy, soft, and perfect, just like any loving parent would hope. The poet is describing the happiness and excitement he felt when his daughter was born. She looked normal and beautiful, so at that moment, he had no idea about her being blind. It shows the joy and love a father feels when he sees his newborn child for the first time. Line 2, she had my eyes and her mother's nose. Explanation, this line means the baby looked like both her parents. She got her father's eyes and her mother's nose. The poet is happily noticing the little details about his daughter's face, feeling proud and full of love, as parents often do when they see parts of themselves in their child. It shows the sweet connection and the special bond between the baby and her parents right from birth. Line 3, she cried for a moment and then settled down. Explanation, this line means that when the baby was born, she cried a little, like all newborn babies do, but soon she became calm and quiet. In the poem, this shows a peaceful and loving moment for the father, as he watched his new baby daughter relax after the first cries, making him feel happy and proud. Line 4, the angel of my life with hair of brown. Explanation, in this line, The father is calling his baby daughter the angel of my life because she is very precious, special, and full of love for him. Her brown hair is a small but sweet detail that shows how lovingly he notices everything about her. In the poem, this line shows how deeply the father loves his daughter and how much happiness she brings into his life, like an angel sent from heaven. Line 5. Months went by and we watched her grow. Explanation: this line means that as time passed, the little baby started to grow, and her parents carefully watched her change and develop day by day. In the poem, this shows the love and care her parents have for her, as they happily observe each new step in her life, like watching her learn, move, and become a little bigger as the months go by. Line 6. Something was wrong and we had to know. Explanation: this line means that the parents noticed something wasn't quite right with their daughter's development, so they decided to find out what was happening. In the poem, it shows their concern and the need for answers, leading them to seek medical help to understand what was causing their child's issues. Line 7. The doctor called with concern on his mind. Explanation: this line means that the doctor was worried about the daughter's health and wanted to talk to the parents. In this poem, it shows that the doctor had noticed something serious and needed to share his concerns with the parents, which is why he called them. Line 8. And told me my angel had been born blind. Explanation: this line means that the doctor informed the father that his daughter was born without the ability to see. The word angel shows how much the father loves and cherishes his daughter. This moment is very emotional and marks a significant turning point in the poem, as the parents learn about their child's blindness and begin to face the challenges that come with it. Line 9. I cried for a while and then I got mad. Explanation: this line means that after hearing the news that his daughter was born blind, the father felt very sad and cried. But then, his sadness turned into anger. He was upset because this was not what he had expected as a father. This moment shows his deep emotions and the struggle he faced in accepting the situation. Line 10. This was not my idea of being a dad. Explanation: this line means that the father felt upset and disappointed because he had imagined being a dad would be joyful and easy. Learning that his daughter was born blind was not part of what he had expected. He felt unprepared and overwhelmed by the challenges ahead. This moment shows his honest emotions as he tries to come to terms with the reality of his daughter's condition. Line 11. So from that day forward I started a plight. Explanation: this line means that after learning his daughter was born blind, the father made a strong decision to help her. He chose to become her guide in life, acting as her eyes and supporting her in every way. The word plight here refers to his serious effort and commitment to assist her through the challenges she would face. This moment shows his deep love and determination to be there for his daughter. Line 12. To be her eyes in life and her heart of sight. Explanation: this line means that the father decided to help his blind daughter by being her guide. He wanted to describe the world to her and help her understand things she couldn't see. He also aimed to support her emotionally, helping her feel and experience life through love and understanding. This shows his deep commitment to being there for her in every way. Line 13. As the years passed by she started to grow. Explanation: this line means that as time went on, the daughter grew older and developed. Despite being blind, she became a curious and intelligent child. The father continued to support and guide her, helping her learn about the world in every way he could. This line shows the passage of time and the strong bond between the father and daughter as she grows up. Line 14. Into a beautiful child with a need to know. Explanation. This line means that as the daughter grew older, she became a lovely and curious child. Even though she was blind, she had a strong desire to learn about the world around her. Her curiosity and eagerness to understand things highlight her intelligence and the deep bond she shares with her father, who is dedicated to teaching her everything he can. Line 15. Each day was spent teaching all that I knew. Explanation. This line means that the father dedicated his time every day to teach his blind daughter everything he could. He shared his knowledge and experiences with her to help her understand the world around her. This shows his deep love and commitment to supporting her growth and learning, despite the challenges they faced. Line 16. Until one day when she asked about blue. Explanation. This line means that one day, the daughter, who was born blind, asked her father to explain what the color blue is. Despite her inability to see, she was curious about things that others could see, like colors. This moment highlights her desire to understand the world around her, even aspects beyond her direct experience. Line 17. I tried to define it but my efforts were in vain. Explanation. This line means that the father attempted to explain the color blue to his blind daughter, but he couldn't find a way that made sense to her. Since she had never seen colors, describing blue using visual terms didn't help. He felt frustrated and sad because, for the first time, he couldn't help her understand something she was curious about. This moment highlights the challenges they faced and the father's deep desire to connect with his daughter. Line 18. Only cited descriptions were the way to explain. Explanation. This line means that the father could only describe the color blue using examples that people with sight understand, such as the sky or the ocean. Since his daughter was blind, she had never seen these things, so these descriptions didn't help her understand what blue looked like. This moment shows the difficulty the father faced in trying to explain something visual to someone who had never experienced sight. Line 19. She had no way of knowing what I was trying to say. Explanation. This line means that the daughter, being blind, couldn't understand her father's description of the color blue. Since she had never seen colors, she had no personal experience to relate to his explanations. This moment highlights the father's realization that some concepts are challenging to convey without shared experiences, emphasizing the unique challenges they face in their relationship. Line 20. And for the very first time I failed her that day. Explanation. This line means that the father felt he couldn't help his daughter understand what the color blue is. Despite his efforts to explain it, he realized that words alone couldn't convey the experience of color to someone who had never seen it. This made him feel like he had let her down for the first time, highlighting his deep desire to support and connect with her in every way. Line 21. Life went on and as she grew. Explanation. This line means that time continued to pass, and the daughter grew older. Despite the challenges of being blind, she continued to develop and learn. The father remained by her side, supporting her growth and experiences as she matured. Line 22. She formed her thoughts on what is blue. Explanation. This line means that the daughter, who was blind, used her imagination to understand what the color blue might be. Even though she couldn't see, she created her own idea of blue based on feelings, sounds, and descriptions from others. This shows her creativity and determination to connect with the world in her own unique way. Line 23. Wanting to know just what others could see. Explanation. This line means that the daughter, who was born blind, had a strong desire to understand what sighted people experience. She was curious about the visual world and wanted to grasp what others could see, even though she couldn't see herself. This shows her deep interest in connecting with the experiences of those around her and her imaginative effort to comprehend the concept of sight. Line 24. Inside her mind it became reality. Explanation. This line means that the daughter, who was blind, used her imagination to create her own understanding of the color blue. Even though she couldn't see, she formed a personal idea of what blue might be like, based on feelings and descriptions from others. In her thoughts, blue became something real and meaningful. Line 25. On her 16th birthday our lives got better. Explanation. This line means that when the daughter turned 16, she and her father received wonderful news that brought hope and happiness. A doctor informed them that there was a medical procedure available that could potentially restore her sight. This moment marked a significant turning point in their lives, offering the possibility for the daughter to experience the world visually for the first time. Line 26. We received good news from a doctor's letter. Explanation. This line means that the father and his daughter got a letter from a doctor with wonderful news. The doctor informed them that there was a medical procedure available that could potentially restore her sight. This brought hope and happiness to their lives, as it offered the possibility for the daughter to experience the world visually for the first time. Line 27. He said he could help and that this just might. Explanation. This line means that the doctor informed the father that there was a medical procedure available that could potentially restore his blind daughter's sight. The phrase "this just might" indicates that while there was hope, the outcome wasn't guaranteed. This moment brought a mix of cautious optimism and excitement, as it opened up the possibility for the daughter to experience the world visually for the first time. Line 28. Give the eyes of my angel the gift of sight. Explanation. This line means that the doctor offered a medical procedure that could potentially restore the daughter's vision. The father refers to his daughter as his angel, expressing his deep love for her. The gift of sight symbolizes the hope and possibility that she might see the world for the first time, marking a significant and emotional turning point in their lives. Line 29. I will never forget what she asked to see. Explanation. This line means that the father remembers the moment his daughter, who was born blind and had recently gained her sight through a medical procedure, asked him to show her the color blue. It was a significant and emotional moment for him because it highlighted her enduring curiosity and desire to understand the world around her. This request was especially meaningful because, despite her new ability to see, she still sought her father's guidance to comprehend something as abstract as a color. Line 30. When she opened her eyes and first saw me. Explanation. This line describes the profound moment when the daughter, who had been blind since birth, gains her sight for the first time. As she opens her eyes, the first person she sees is her father. This moment is filled with deep emotion, symbolizing the culmination of their shared journey through challenges and the father's unwavering support. It highlights the strong bond between them and the joy of experiencing a new beginning together. Line 31. She looked at me with her eyes of new. Explanation. This line describes the poignant moment when the daughter, having gained her sight for the first time, looks at her father. The phrase "eyes of new" signifies her fresh perspective and the wonder of seeing the world, and her father, visually. It's a deeply emotional moment, highlighting the profound connection between them and the culmination of their shared journey through her blindness. Line 32. And asked me to show her the color of blue. Explanation. This line captures a deeply emotional moment when the daughter, who was born blind and has just gained her sight through a medical procedure, turns to her father and asks him to show her the color blue. Throughout her life, she had imagined what blue might be like based on descriptions and her own feelings. Now, with the ability to see, she seeks her father's guidance to connect her imagined understanding with the visual reality. This request highlights the strong bond between them and underscores the significance of shared experiences in understanding the world. Line 33. I said, "Look at my eyes, for they are blue." Explanation. In this line, the father responds to his daughter's request to see the color blue after she gains her sight. He tells her to look into his eyes because they are blue, offering them as a direct example of the color. This moment is deeply emotional, as it not only helps her understand what blue looks like but also symbolizes the deep connection and love between them. His eyes, which have always watched over her, now serve as her first glimpse into the world of color. Line 34. The day you were born they watched over you. Explanation. In this line, the father tells his daughter that from the moment she was born, his eyes have been watching over her. This emphasizes his constant care, love, and protection throughout her life. Earlier in the poem, he mentions that his eyes are blue and invites her to look into them to see the color blue. By saying they watched over you, he highlights the deep bond they share and how his presence has been a guiding and comforting force for her. Line 35. All through the years they never looked away. Explanation. This line means that the father's eyes have always been watching over his daughter since the day she was born. Even though she couldn't see him due to her blindness, he was always there, caring for her and ensuring her well-being. It highlights his unwavering love and constant presence in her life. Line 36. They will always be with you and will never stray. Explanation. In this line, the father assures his daughter that his love and support are unwavering. Even though she was born blind and couldn't see him, he was always there, watching over her. Now that she can see, he wants her to know that his presence and care will continue. The word stray means to wander away, so by saying he will never stray, he is emphasizing that he will always be by her side, no matter what. Line 37. She smiled at me and said that she always knew. Explanation. In this line, after the daughter gains her sight and sees her father's blue eyes, she smiles and tells him that she always knew what the color blue meant. Even though she was blind, she had formed her own understanding of blue through her father's love and the feelings he shared with her. This moment shows that her perception of blue was based on emotional experiences, not just visual ones. Line 38. About what the meaning was of the color blue. Explanation. In this line, the daughter tells her father that she has always understood what the color blue means. Even though she was born blind and couldn't see colors, she had formed her own idea of blue based on her father's love, care, and the emotions they shared. For her, blue wasn't just a color, it represented feelings like love, comfort, and connection. This moment shows that emotional understanding can be as powerful as physical sight. Line 39. Throughout her life she could always see. Explanation. This line means that even though the daughter was born blind, she always had a deep understanding and perception of the world around her. Her father taught her to see through feelings, experiences, and emotions. So, even before she gained physical sight, she could see with her heart and mind, understanding things in her own unique and meaningful way. Line 40. With the eyes of her heart instilled from me. Explanation. This line means that the daughter learned to understand and experience the world through feelings and emotions taught to her by her father. Even though she was born blind, her father guided her to see with her heart, understanding things like love, kindness, and beauty through emotional connection rather than sight. The word instilled means that her father deeply taught or passed on this way of perceiving the world to her. Line 41. To her the color had a meaning more than just sight. Explanation. This line means that for the daughter, the color blue wasn't just something she saw with her eyes. Even before she could see, she had imagined what blue felt like through her father's love and care. So, blue became a symbol of emotions like love and comfort for her, not just a visual color. Line 42. Blue had a feeling that gave her an insight. Explanation. This line means that for the daughter, the color blue wasn't just something she could see with her eyes. Even before she gained her sight, she associated blue with certain feelings, like love, comfort, and her father's presence. These emotions gave her a deep understanding, insight, of what blue meant to her personally. So, blue held a special emotional meaning beyond just being a color. Line 43. Throughout the years as both our hearts grew. Explanation. This line reflects the deepening emotional bond between the father and his daughter over time. As they faced life's challenges together, especially her blindness and eventual ability to see, their love and understanding for each other grew stronger. The phrase "as both our hearts grew" symbolizes how their relationship matured, highlighting the profound connection they shared beyond just physical experiences. Line 44. She told me that love was the color blue. Explanation. In this line, the daughter expresses to her father that, for her, the color blue represents love. Even before she could see, she associated the concept of blue with the feelings of affection, care, and warmth she received from her father. Now that she has gained her sight, she confirms that her understanding of blue aligns with the love she has always felt. This moment highlights the deep emotional bond between them and illustrates how love can shape one's perception of the world.